Hey guys, welcome back to Techlock YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make Captain Miller movie font design. Okay, actually, the font name is too difficult to pronounce, guys. Evanston Tavern 1919 bold stencil. I will provide this font link in description. Go and download it. If you they provide a lot of variants, kindly download the last one. Just TTF. Guys, wait. What's happening here? Share the link. Donation. Guys, wait, guys. Share the link or okay. Just I'm going to share with Twitter. I think we no need to share, guys. Come back here. I hope. Add. I want to close. See, guys. Download font is enabled. Yeah, font is downloaded. That's fine. Okay, I think where is downloads? Share, guys. Actually, there is. Wait. Okay. Now I'm going to download the Captain Miller background pictures and textures. Okay, here Captain Miller. Yeah, this all download. Actually, I provided another background, another texture also. Okay, guys, I downloaded. Now I'm going to use Pixel app. If you don't have it, means install it. Cancel now. Plus from gallery. I'm going to choose this one. Yeah, take. I'm going to adjust it. Okay, now again plus text. Here your name. Double click to edit, guys. Okay, here tech block YT. Click A means it's a type tool. Okay, actually before that I want to do one thing. I downloaded just I'm going to download folder. Where it is? I'm going to move this to MF folder, guys, because here if you see means font my fonts. If I add plus means by default it will be in M. This one, guys, Evanston Daveran. Okay, this is now I choose now. Okay, now relative position to center. Yeah, that's fine. Now texture, if you scroll means you will get it. Now click the gallery icon. This is the texture. Take. That's it, guys. I think I need to move a little bit here. Yeah, now I can save it. Winners की list बहुत. Yeah, I got a Dream 11 ad advertisement. Guys, here you can type. Yeah, you can design for your name or your page name or blah 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 things. Okay, that's it, guys. If you want any other movie fonts means please let me know in comment section. Sure, I will provide background and font link. Okay, thank you, guys. Bye.